Ever wish you could rewind time and fix the tiny Photoshop blunder without starting all over? Let's dive into the best ways to revisit your editing decisions and master the art of going back in time, right here in Adobe Photoshop. First up, the history panel, your editing time machine. Look to the right, usually, to discover the history panel. It dutifully records every single action you take. Need to go back? Simply click on a previous state in the list. Photoshop jumps directly to that point. Let's say you accidentally apply a filter and want to remove it. Click on the step before the filter application, and you're back in time. Now, let's talk about those layers. If you've been organized with your layers, this becomes even easier. The more organized you are, the better, because you will want to name your layers. If, for example, you made a big change on a particular layer that you now want to undo, select your intended layer, go to your history panel and choose an earlier state. Photoshop then removes all actions that happened after that point. If those actions impact other layers, Photoshop will alert you. And there's a simple shortcut. The undo command is your friend. When you make a quick slip up, hit Ctrl+Z Windows or CMD+Z Mac to undo your last action. Press it multiple times to step backward through your edits, one at a time. If you want to jump multiple steps, you can use Alt Windows or Options Mac to step backward. You also have your step backward and step forward commands under the Edit menu at the top, giving you even more control over your editing timeline. Mastering these methods will allow you to make mistakes easily and go backwards easily. Now go forth and edit with confidence, knowing you can always rewind your creative process in Adobe Photoshop.